Hello everyone, welcome back ma. See, in the last classes we have completed some of the chapters and we have come across your SA1 exam. Yes or no? Yes, now we'll start the new chapters of your new exam, that is FA3. For FA3 exam you have the two chapters of syllabus. Okay, in the starting itself I'm giving you the syllabus of your FA3 exam. Okay, one is algebraic expression. What are the two chapters ma? One is algebraic expression and next one is powers and exponents. Okay, these two chapters are there for your FA3 exam. Okay, now start the chapter ma, that is 10th chapter algebraic expressions. All of you open your textbooks, page number 192. Okay, see here. Okay, directly we'll move on to your lesson ma, that is exercise 1. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following patterns. See how many patterns we have to make a letter H. Pattern is nothing but how many sticks do you want to form a H? Tell me. One is this one and one is this one and one is like this one. Okay, total how many sticks do you want to make a pattern? Total 3 sticks. Okay, so the pattern is 3n. You should write as 3n. Okay, next a pattern of letter V. How many sticks do you want to make a V? 2. Okay, so the pattern is 2n. Clear? Next, second one, given below is a pattern made from colored tiles and white tiles. Okay, see children, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 is given. What is the first question? Draw the next two figures in the pattern above. Okay, in the given pattern above you have to draw next two figures. See, if you observe here in the first figure, above the white tile you have only one green tile. Yes or no? And in the second figure you have two green tiles. In the coming third figure 3 tiles. Fourth figure lo any tiles untayi? 4 figures. And in the fifth figure you have the 5 tiles. Okay, like that you have to draw the tiles. The question is draw the next two figures in the pattern above. Okay, next two patterns you have to draw after these 3 figures. Clear? Next, see the second question. Fill the tables given below and express the pattern in the form of an algebraic expression. Okay, this is your figure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the number of colored tiles. Here how many number of colored tiles are there? 4. Okay, so write down as 4. Now the pattern here, if you observe the pattern, total you are having here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is 8. And in the third figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And in the coming fourth figure, total 16 colored tiles are getting. And in the fifth figure, total 20 tiles are getting. So this one you should express in the form of pattern. Pattern lo express cheyali. How can you express? See, if you say has 4n, okay, 4 into n plus lo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ila substitute cheyandi. You will get as 4 into 1 is your 4, 4 into 2 is your 8, 4 into 3 is your 12, 4 into 4 is your 16, 4 into 5 is your 20. Okay, this is your pattern for the second figure. Clear? Next, third one. See the third one. Fill the table given below and express the pattern in the form of algebraic expression. Same, this one also same. First figure, number of total tiles. Here it is given that the total tiles, but here it is the colored tiles. Okay. Now here you have to count total tiles. If you observe in the first figure, total how many tiles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, like that count all the tiles and write down the numbers, and this one you have to write in a pattern. Okay, how can you write this as in a pattern? 4n plus 1. Okay, 4n plus 1 is your pattern. How 4n plus 1? If you substitute n equal to 1, how much you will get? 4n plus 1. If you substitute n equal to 1, you will get as 4 into 1 equal to, sorry, plus 1. 4 into 1 plus 1 is nothing but 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Next, substitute n equal to 2. 4 into 2 plus 1 equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. That is nothing but total number of tiles are 9. Okay. Next, the next pattern is substitute n equal to 3. 4 into 3 equal plus 1. 4 into 3 is your 12. 12 plus 1 is your 13. Okay. Next 4. Next 5. ఇలా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మీకు ప్యాటర్న్లో ఈక్వల్గా వస్తాయి అన్నమాట ఈ నెంబర్స్ అన్నీ. క్లియర్? దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ యర్ సెకండ్ బిట్. సీ ద థర్డ్ బిట్. రైట్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ యూజింగ్ వేరియబుల్స్, కాన్స్టాంట్స్ అండ్ అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేషన్స్. సి స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ని మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేషన్స్లో రాయాలి. సి 6 మోర్ దాన్ పి. 6 మోర్ దాన్ పి అంటే ఏంటి? పీకి 6 ఎక్కువ అంటున్నాడు. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి రైట్ ఇన్ అర్థమెటిక్ ఫార్మ్ యాజ్ పి ప్లస్ 6. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ బై 4. రెడ్యూస్డ్ అంటే తగ్గిపోవడం. సో యూ షుడ్ రైట్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 4. క్లియర్? ఇన్ arithmetic form. Next, 8 is subtracted by y. This can be written as y minus 8. Q is multiplied by minus 5. Q is multiplied by minus 5 ante minus 5q. Okay. Next, y divided by 4 can be written as y by 4. 1/4 of the product of p and q means 1/4 of the product of p and q. This is your 1/4. p and q की product అంటున్నాడు. సో 1/4 of the product of p and q. Clear? Next, 5 added to the 3 times of z. 3 times of z అంటున్నాడు first. This is your 3 times of z. For that 5 is added. Okay. 5 added to the 3 times of z. Next, x multiplied by 5. So x is multiplied by 5 and added to 10 plus 10. Okay. 5x plus 10. X is multiplied by 5 and added to 10. Next, 5 is subtracted from 2 times of y. First write down 2 times of y. 2 times of y and then subtracted from 5. How much? 5. Okay. Next, y multiplied by 10 and added to 13. Okay. Y multiplied by 10, nothing but 10y plus 13. Okay. These are the operations of your given statements. Next, see fourth bit. Write the following expressions in statements. Here the expressions are given. You have to write that for that expressions you have to write in statement form. Okay. See, x plus 3 means what? 3 is added to x. Okay. You have to write down it in a statement form. 3 is added to x. Next, 7 is subtracted by y. Okay, 7 is subtracted by y. Next, 10 times by l. 10 times by l. Here x is divided by 5. Fifth one, 11 is added, sorry, 3 times m is multiplied with 3 and then added to 11. Okay, m is multiplied by 3 and then added to 11. Okay, y is multiplied by 2 and subtracted by 5. 5 is subtracted by 2 times of y. Okay, 5 is subtracted by 2 times of y. These are the statements for the given expressions. Okay children, this is about your first exercise. Next, coming to the algebraic term and numeric term. Okay, see here, consider this expression 2x plus 9. Here x is multiplied by 2. Yes or no? This x is multiplied by 2 and then 9 is added to it. Both 2x and 9 are terms in the expression. Okay, these are the terms here. 2x and 9 are the terms in the given expression. Moreover, 2x is called algebraic expression, algebraic term, and 9 is called numeric term. Why? Here the consonant is given and variable is also there, so it is a algebraic term. Here if you observe, here only constant is there, so it is a numeric term. Clear, children? This is about your algebraic term and numeric term. Now coming to the like terms, like and unlike terms. Like term is nothing but if you are having a variable as equal, okay, variable same ga unte, then it is a like terms, and if variables are not equal, then it is said to be a unlike terms. If you observe in here 5x and 8x, in both x is same, so it is a like terms. Second one also like term, third one also xy, so like term. Fourth one, see here xy square is there and x square y is there, both are not equal, so it is a unlike term. Okay, see what is the definition of like term? Like terms are terms which contain the same variables with the same exponents, okay, which is having a same variables with the same exponents are said to be a like terms. Okay, children? Now, what is meant by coefficient? Coefficient is nothing but, first suppose you are having a 9xy. Okay, 9xy unte in 9 anedi coefficient antundi, x comma y are the variables. Okay, that is nothing but coefficient. Now coming to the expression. An expression is a single term or a combination of terms connected by the symbols positive or negative. Okay, if you are having a terms by combination of addition or subtraction, then it is said to be an expression. Clear? Next, what is the degree of algebra? Now we will say about the degree of algebraic expressions. Okay, children, and we have types of algebraic expressions also. First, monomial, name of the expression. These are the 4 types of expressions. First one is monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. Okay, monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. What are the examples of these expressions? Monomial means it is having only one term. Okay, ఒక టర్మ్ ఉంటే మాత్రం దాన్ని మొనామియల్ అంటాము. బైనామియల్కి 2 ఉంటాయి, 2 unlike terms. Okay, children? And for trinomial, 3 unlike terms. For multinomial, more than 1 unlike terms. Okay, these are the examples of types of algebraic expressions. Okay, now coming to the degree of the algebraic expression. Degree of a algebraic expression ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాము? ఫస్ట్ డిఫరెంట్ వన్. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చి మోనోమియల్కి డిగ్రీ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాము? which is monomial means which is having only one term. Okay, what is the exponent of x in the above term? In the y above term, what is the sum of these 2 exponents? See, these are the exponents 2 and 2. What are the power here? 2 plus 2. If you add these 2, how much you will get? 4. Yes or no? See, the sum of all exponents of the variables present in the monomial is called the degree of the term or degree of the monomial. Degree is nothing but which is having a highest power in a given expression. Okay, ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో ఏదైనా హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఇస్తే దాన్ని డిగ్రీ అని అంటాం మనము. ఓకేనా? See, here in your table x ఇచ్చాడు. xకి పవర్ ఎంత ఉంది? ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది కదా. సో హియర్ 1 ఈజ్ ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ది మొనోమియల్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఎంత ఉంది? హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఓన్లీ 2. సో డిగ్రీ ఈజ్ 2. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, x పవర్ 1 ఏం లేదు అంటే 1 అనే కదా. y పవర్ 1 and z పవర్ 1. You should add these 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then you will get as 3. Here 3 is the degree of the polynomial. Next here 2 plus 2 4. 4 is the degree of the polynomial. Clear? ఇలా డిగ్రీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాము. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్కి డిగ్రీ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 0. కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ న్యూమరిక్ వాల్యూ. ఆ న్యూమరిక్ వాల్యూకి డిగ్రీ ఎంత ఉంటుందనా? 0 ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్. నా ఇప్పుడు ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్కి డిగ్రీ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తామో చూద్దాం. I have said already, the highest power in the given expression, that is nothing but a degree. Okay, if you observe here 7x y square ఇచ్చాడు, xకి ఎంత ఉన్నట్టు 1. ఓకే, 1 + 2 is 3. సో highest degree is 3. అండ్ హియర్ ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 + 2 4. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్కి 1 ఉంది, సెకండ్ టర్మ్కి వచ్చేసి 2 + 2 is 4 ఉంది. ఏది హైయెస్ట్ డిగ్రీ? 4. సో 4 is the degree. అండ్ ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ వన్ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్కి 2 ఉంది, సెకండ్ టర్మ్కి 3, అండ్ ఇన్ ద థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఓన్లీ 1. సో హైయెస్ట్ డిగ్రీ is 3. ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ద పాలినామియల్ is 3. నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్కి 2, సెకండ్ టర్మ్ 4, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ 3. ఏది హైయెస్ట్ ఉంది? 4. సో 4 is the highest degree of the polynomial. Okay, and the highest of the degrees of all the terms of an expression is called the degree of the expression. What is the degree of the expression, ma? It is nothing but the highest of the degrees of all the terms. Okay, that is your degree of the expression. Based on these degrees, we will solve some of the problems in your exercise 2. Okay, see the first bit. Identify and write the like terms in each of the following groups. Okay, like terms ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి రాయమంటున్నాడు. వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై లైక్ టర్మ్స్? విచ్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ అ సేమ్ వేరియబుల్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్లో చూడండి, సేమ్ వేరియబుల్ ఏది ఉంది? నథింగ్. సెకండ్ వన్ 3a 4xy minus yz 2zy. What are the like terms? yz and 2zy. Yes or no? Both are like terms. Okay, see in the first question, a square and minus 2a square are the like terms in the first question. Okay, and in the second question, minus yz 2zy. zy and yz or both are equal. Okay, and in the third question, xy square x square y square x. See here, y square x and y square x. So these are the like terms. Okay, 7p 8pq minus 5pq pq. So these are the like terms. Okay, this is about your first bit. You have to identify the like terms. Okay, next, state whether the expression is a numerical expression or an algebraic expression. న్యూమరికల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో ఏమంటాం మనము? విచ్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఓన్లీ న్యూమరల్స్, దట్ ఈస్ సెట్ టు బి అ న్యూమరిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో టర్మ్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ కాన్సనెంట్. ద కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ కాన్సనెంట్ ఈస్ గెట్టింగ్ యాజ్ ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్, x + 1 is a algebraic expression. Okay, second one 3m² is nothing but algebraic. Minus 30 + 16 is numeric, algebraic. Fourth one, fifth one numeric, sixth one algebraic expression, seventh one algebraic expression, eighth one is numerical expression, ninth one algebraic, 10th one numerical, 11th one algebraic. Okay, next, third bit. Which of the following multinomials is monomial, binomial or trinomial? Okay, here some of the expressions are given. You have to identify whatever it is multinomial, binomial or trinomial. I have said already, you have only one like term, that is said to be a monomial, which is having a 2 unlike terms is nothing but binomial, which is having 3 unlike terms is nothing but trinomial. Okay, say y square, here only you are having a 1 term, so it is a monomial. Here 4y minus 7z, 2 unlike terms are there, so binomial. Here only 1 unlike term is there, monomial, binomial, monomial, trinomial. Why? Because here 3 unlike terms, and here it is a binomial. This is also binomial. This is only 1 unlike term, so monomial. 10th one is also binomial. Okay, why? Because here 2 unlike terms are there, that is x and y. Clear? This is about your third bit. Now coming to the fourth bit. What is the degree of each of the monomials? డిగ్రీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈజ్ మీన్ బై డిగ్రీ? హైయెస్ట్ పవర్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఏంటి? 1. ఏమి ఇవ్వలేడు అంటే 1 అనే కదా, సో 1 ఈజ్ యా డిగ్రీ. ఇక్కడ ఎంత హైయెస్ట్ డిగ్రీ? 2. హియర్ ద హైయెస్ట్ డిగ్రీ ఈజ్ 4. 1 + 2 + 2 5 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ 2 + 2 4. హియర్ 2 and here 2 + 1 3. Okay, these are the degrees of the monomials. Next, find the degree of each algebraic expression. ఇక్కడ మీరు డిగ్రీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. డిగ్రీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ అని చెప్పాను కదా ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1, ఇక్కడ 2 అండ్ హియర్ 2 + 1 3. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్లో 3 వచ్చింది, సెకండ్ టర్మ్లో 2 వచ్చింది, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ 1 అండ్ ఇన్ ద ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ 4. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పవర్? 4. సో 4 ఈస్ ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ది పాలినామియల్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్లో 3, సెకండ్ టర్మ్లో 2. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిగ్రీ? 3. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్లో 2, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ 3, థర్డ్ టర్మ్లో 4, సెకండ్ టర్మ్లో 3. సో హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఈజ్ 4. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ డిగ్రీ. Coming to here 3 1. So the degree is 3. Okay. Next, sixth question. Write any 2 algebraic expressions with the same degree. సేమ్ డిగ్రీ వచ్చేలా ఏవైనా 2 algebraic expressions రాయమంటున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? సేమ్ డిగ్రీ రావాలి అంటే ఇఫ్ యూ సీ హియర్ xy + yz సేమ్ డిగ్రీ వస్తుంది కదా ఇక్కడ. 1 + 1 1 + 1 2 2. Okay, like that. Write down one more example. This is about your exercise 2. The next exercise we will see in your next class, ma'am. Okay, up to here complete it in your classwork. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Thank you.